about to launch into all sorts of different significance with what's going on at the moment, I'd please like you to welcome John Rees from the Stop the War Coalition.
Thank you very much, Manchester. Seems to me that it's very clear that this summer, from the 250,000 strong People's Assembly demonstration in London in June, through the packed halls in every city, town and village in this country for Jeremy Corbyn, to this massive demonstration by the trade union movement today in Manchester, seems to me that one thing is very clear: the working class is back in politics in this country. And by God, it needs to be. Did you see the slogan above the door to the Tory party conference as you came past? It's a positively Orwellian slogan. It says, security, stability, opportunity. Well, what security is there in a 0 hours, below the minimum wage, no trade union job? What security, Mr. Cameron, is there in that? And what stability? What stability is there in a world where our government is now intending to bomb the 4th Muslim country in just over a decade? Where will the stability be if you do that? And where will the opportunity be for working class people if you destroy our welfare state? I tell you this, I was the first person in my family to be born in an NHS hospital. I was the first person in my family to come home to a publicly provided council house. I was the first person in my family who all through my life was cared for at the point of need by the National Health Service. I was the first person in my family ever to go to university, and when I did, it was paid for out of general taxation. And I'm telling you this, I do not intend to be the last member of my family to use the NHS or to be publicly educated. Now we've got some big battles coming up, and I just want to encourage you to join in them. There will be a vote if David Cameron has his way on bombing Syria. Well, we've all seen what bombing means in the last 24 hours. We saw the NATO destruction of the Médecins Sans Frontières hospital in Afghanistan, still supported by this government. That's what bombing looks like, and we are absolutely opposed to it. And I have to say, I'm very glad that Jeremy Corbyn is going to be leading the Labour Party when that vote comes up. But, and it's a big but, I expect every single member of the shadow cabinet and every single Labour MP to vote against bombing. I'm telling you now, and I mean the shadow homes, the Foreign Secretary Hilary Benn, you made the mistake of voting for the Iraq war. Don't repeat that mistake over the bombing of Syria. And finally, I want to support the call made by the General Secretary of the CND, Kate Hudson, from this platform. The Stop the War Coalition will be working hand in hand with CND for a no Trident demonstration in London on the 20th of February before the vote comes up in Parliament. And my question isn't the media's question. My question isn't who would vote for a man who won't push the nuclear button. My question is who in their right mind would vote for somebody who would push the nuclear button. This is the battle of our lives. This is the battle to defend the social provision and the peaceful world that the 45 generation began, but that it falls to us to defend. Don't let them down. Don't let yourselves down. Don't let your children down. Get in the streets. Keep up the fight. Solidarity.
Okay, we're going to